Oh, you're acting tough now? You're acting tough now? Behind the bench?
Let me finish, and I'll let you speak, all right?
Yelling at me now?
Yes.
Is that constitutional? I would like for everything to be dismissed if it pleases the court. It don't matter, because I don't understand how y'all run y'all system. Y'all practice against the law. You are totally in.
Today, we're exploring a case involving an individual who claims to be a sovereign citizen, someone who seemingly believes they are exempt from the law. Their courtroom demeanor has been anything but cooperative, often combative and disruptive. Currently, they are serving an extra 3 years for assaulting an officer, in addition to a 4-year sentence for armed robbery. Their behavior raises an important question. Is this a case of genuine legal misunderstanding, or is there something more complex at play? Let's take a closer look at this intense legal battle.
Present myself. I couldn't enter the plea. I never plea. You can check my record. I never plea.
Oh, maybe I found you guilty then. Yeah.
No, I haven't been. Matter of fact, I came inside there personally a week or so ago. And the young lady, the security officer, came out and said that I'm supposed to report today.
No, this is on some old stuff. All right.
I never entered the plea.
So do you not want the representation of counsel?
No, thank you.
Okay. There you go, Mr. Take. That's your first break of the day, Mr. Soroki. You know what I mean?
Judge, I know how to deal with everybody. So I said I know how to deal with everybody, any type of client.
Yeah, I know, but he doesn't want
right,
it. So
I understand.
We can't force it on him.
No, I understand.
Yeah. So you can
take it as a plus.
As for purposes of arraignment, sir, we'll do it like this. I'll enter a not guilty.
Are you talking to Mr. Hicks or Mr. Lee?
Pardon me?
Yes, you should be able to find the.
Are you talking to Mr. Hicks or Mr. Lee?
Mr. Hicks, I'm sorry.
You should be down area code 929.
Mr. Hicks, for purposes of arraignment, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf and give you a $0 bond, all right?
I object, Your Honor. That would be practicing in front of the bench. I object. That would be practicing in front of the bench, practicing law from the bench. You will have to recluse yourself if you hold on to that.
All right. Well, I deny your motion. So go ahead. How do you want to proceed?
I would like for everything to be dismissed.
Imagine willingly adding 3 extra years to your sentence when there was a clear chance to reduce it. It's a puzzling decision, right? This individual is already serving time for aggravated robbery, and if convicted at trial, he could be looking at a total of 13 years behind bars. Yet he remains fixated on those 3 years as if they don't make sense. What's the end game here? From the outside, it almost seems like he's deliberately piling on more prison time, and with his disruptive courtroom behavior, a guilty verdict is looking more and more inevitable. Let's break down what's really happening.
All right, Basis, give it to me.
He's gonna bring in.
For one, a ticket is a bill of attainder. Article 1, Section 9, Clause 3 of the Constitution of the United States, no bill of attainder or ex post facto law shall be passed. You can have a written assistance.
All right, let me
stop. Equity that transmits into law penalties.
Let me stop you right there. First of all, we have a problem with the transmission. You're breaking up really, really, really bad, and we can't get that on the, turn your video off. Maybe turn your video off, that will help. Let's see.
Article 1, Section 9, Clause 3 of the Constitution of the United States, no bill of attainder or ex post facto law shall be passed. You cannot have a writ of assistance that has civil equity that transmits into law. Number 2, there is no sworn statement from an injured party. Number 3, the officer did not even sign the ticket. That's under law penalty of perjury. I'm asking that all of these be dismissed.
All right, I'm going to deny that motion. All right, how else do you want to proceed?
That's your declaratory judgment?
I'm going to deny the motion. I denied the motion.
Okay, let's go to court.
Trial?
It don't matter, because I don't understand how y'all run y'all system. Y'all practice.
This guy just doesn't seem to grasp the reality of his situation. If he were facing 10 years, he'd probably brush it off like, it's only 10 years. Does he not understand how much time that really is? Even 3 years is a significant chunk of life, yet he acts like it's nothing. Maybe I'm overanalyzing, but think about it. Can you even remember exactly what you were doing 3 years ago? It's unsettling how some people don't take the law seriously, especially when they're walking into gas stations with weapons, threatening people as if it's no big deal. What makes someone think that's okay? Is it poor judgment, recklessness, or something deeper? And when you have a free attorney, the least you can do is listen to their advice. So what's really going on here? Let's break it down.
The court rules go against the law. Y'all practice against the law, against the Constitution. I'm all common law.
All right, well, we're beyond that.
Okay.
All right.
So you say. So are you going to prosecute this, or somebody else going to prosecute it?
Stop. Let's not keep going. All right. You want a trial date or not?
It's up to y'all. Remember, y'all make all the rules.
Trial date. You want to, let's give him a jury trial date.
Jury trial.
Yeah.
How long do I have to turn in my briefs?
I'll give you some dates in a second.
Okay. Scamming. With a smile on your face. If it pleases the court, what jurisdiction are you charging me on?
I asked the question, sir.
I just said if it pleases the court.
I know, and I'm telling you, I asked the questions. I appreciate your
We can do it.
your respect for the court, but I asked the questions. I told you to read the court rules.
We can do it. March the 5th. Let me check and see.
The court rules. What jurisdiction are you trying to charge me on?
Is March the 5th a good date for you, sir?
No.
Okay.
June the 11th is going to be the jury trial date.
June the 11th?
June the 11th. So let's put your final pretrial date will be, let's see, put that a day before. That way, that'll be the date we'll argue motions on June the 10th. May the 24th will be your motion, and now May the 24th, and the city will have 7 days to respond. So the response to the motion will be due by May the 31st.